Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today, we will continue with the second Sudoku, and the second Sudoku is a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. Which number can I use? I see here an 8 in this row and 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 8, so I will look for another digit in this big square. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these two boxes. We see here 3, so no 3 in that box. So the 3 could be here or could be there in this column. One of these two boxes is a 3. In that column we have a 3 over there. So in the middle column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then a 6 in this column, a 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 6 should be here. And then yes. How about the number? The number 2 in this row, a 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for a 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then how about the number? We have 3, maybe 4, 1, 4, 5, 4 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are 1, 2, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 4 and 5. I see here 1 and a 2. So no 1 and a 2 in these two boxes. So the 1 and the 2 goes in these two boxes. The other two numbers, the 4 and the 5, goes in these two boxes. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. We have 1, 2, that means in the middle column, 1 box left, also 1 and a 2. Then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yes, 1 in this row, 1 in a row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then, how about the number? 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 5 here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And then alright. Yeah. Yeah. This one is not so easy as usual. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 cannot be here. 3, 9, 7, 4, 3, 4. 7 and a 9 should be here. 3, 4. Yeah, I think a lot of pairs. So I think I will mark some boxes. Yeah, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. Same for the middle row. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. So 5 should be here or there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So here also 2 5s. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So 2 places for the 5 there. Alright, then the 8, I see here 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. We have here an 8, so no 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. And the 8 in this big square, we have an 8 here, no 8 here, here also no 8, here also no 8, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. How about the 2? Ah, we have a pair. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here and there. Same for the 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 here and there as a pair, 2 and a 1. That means these 2 numbers are the numbers 9 and the 7. 9 and the 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 and 4. 7 and 4. Okay. We have also here a pair. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. Same with the number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for 9 here or there. So this 5 is not correct. I will correct that. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. So this should be the 9. And this should be the 4. 1 box left in this row for the number 3, the middle row. Yes. 2 boxes left. The 3 and a 1. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. We have a 1 now, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 2 and this should be the 1. We have a 1 now, so this should be the 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 7 is missing. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a 1 now, so this cannot be a 1. This should be a 2. This should be the 1. And then 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, the third row. 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this big square is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about 8, 9. Yes, 9 in this row and 9 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 6 and 9, I remember. Now we have a 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 3 and a 6. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the other box should be the 5 because I have marked those boxes with the 5. Alright, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for the 5 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 8 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing in the first row. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes and there. 6 in this first column, 6 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only place for the 6 should be here. 2 places left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between, the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 2, I believe. Yes. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this. You also, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku, a killer Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.